Good Lord, it look like they cost 10 stacks.
Not quite that much.
Yeah, they beautiful.
What's going on, guys? So in today's video we are actually going to be turning my Duramax into a diesel. So everyone in the comments say do tow mirrors, tow mirrors, tow mirrors, tow mirrors. And yes, I know she's got the little sport mirrors or just regular mirrors, whatever you want to call it, and I think they look freaking sick. I think they look really good on the truck. And as low as the truck is, I'm a little hesitant on the tow mirrors, but I went ahead and got some. So we're going to be putting some chrome cap tow mirrors on her. And I get a lot of requests, people saying put tow mirrors on the old 1500. And I think Baby Squat would look good with them, but at the same time, I do like the stock ones. And their color match, obviously. Some people, you know, say go the Boost Auto Works or whoever they are, get some color matched white ones. And I think they would look sick, but at the same time, I'm just a little hesitant because my trucks are just not that tall. And I think tow mirrors look better on taller trucks because they don't look as big. These are just Amazon Specials YITA motor towing mirrors with a big Ford on there. So these are very good reviewed on Amazon. I didn't want to go the super expensive $400, $500, $600 custom built ones, just because I don't see the need in that. I think these were $170. I think that's what they were. They might have been $159. They've got a 5-star rating on Amazon. A lot of good reviews. They look good. They're bulky. They're pretty heavy. They look very solid. Everything looks really good. Obviously, we'll see once we get them installed. Plug and play, obviously, and then you got to hook up your the reverse light on them, which is right there. And no, I'm not going to be doing a full install video because these are a pain in the butt to install. There's a ton of videos on YouTube. We're also going to be doing the washers on there to level them out. Not going to be doing a full in-depth video on how to install them because there is so many of them on YouTube. And honestly, some installs and modifications and stuff, I don't like to film because I enjoy doing these things to the vehicles, and certain things, if I have to film, it's just a pain in the butt and it just makes me not enjoy it. And if I'm not enjoying it, I don't want to film it. One last look with the black mirrors, and y'all can tell me what you like. And yes, I'm fully aware there's a dent in the door, guys. So I've had several people comment that like oh no, goodness, I had no clue. I filmed it and edited the whole video, didn't have a clue there was a dent there. And I'm not worried about it, okay? I'm gonna get them fixed at some point down the road. I'm not worried about them right now. The truck still looks great in my opinion, and it being my truck, I ain't worried about it, so y'all don't worry about it. Curious to see what it looks like because the truck is lowered. It's got some big chromies, or polished wheels, excuse me. But yeah, I think that will be just the perfect amount of chrome. The bumper, front and back, the headlights, the grille, the wheels, and then the mirror. And I think it will be 100% perfect, good to go. Oh, and the little Duramax Allison badge. But other than that, oh, and the tip, sorry. Goodness, we got a decent amount of shiny parts on this thing. But I think all of those will tie in so perfectly together. So I'm pretty excited to get these installed. I guess I'm gonna pull it in, go ahead and get started, see how she looks. Literally all the videos I saw, no one cleans this. Do yourself a favor, clean this. It's got 10 to 15 years worth of crap behind it. Clean this before you put the new mirror on.
Perfect.
Alright guys, well let me know what you think about the mirrors. I think they look really good. I do kind of miss the little black ones a little bit, but not really. A couple little issues, which I'm going to contact them about, see what they want to say. I don't know if you can even, yeah, you can see it right there. It's like a weird little, almost looks like it's coming, the chrome's coming off, like not stuck very good. That, and then over here on the passenger side, it's done it 3 times so far. The this top mirror will just randomly drop down, so for some reason I feel like the little motor in there is weak. I am going to go in the door and recheck the connections, make sure they're in there good, so that's not potentially the issue. But yeah, of course then I can correct it in there, I can do the controls and make it go back, but then it, you know, randomly falls back down. It's done like 3 times, and I've probably driven 30 minutes or so, so that kind of sucks. But overall, I think they do look really good. Everybody was saying, you know, do tow mirrors, and I think it is like the final step of what this truck needed chrome wise. Kind of ties everything in together really good. So definitely let me know what you think. If you have these mirrors, let me know what your experience has been, and if yours have any of the issues that mine already have. Day one, that kind of sucks. They definitely look awesome when driving, because you can see your whole back tire and the road. They're a little bit tricky to get used to, because like when you look over at them, they kind of, I don't know, your eyes kind of have a hard time like focusing on one or the other. I don't know, maybe that's just me, but it's a little weird. It just takes some getting used to. But they definitely look cool because you can see, like I said, the whole side of your truck, the back tire and everything, and that definitely looks cool compared to the little stock ones where you really couldn't see anything. So I definitely like that about them. So I guess that's about gonna do it, guys. Let me know what you think. Definitely leave me some feedback. Let me know what you want to see next. She's looking pretty good. I'm not got anything really pressing that I want to do right now, honestly, appearance wise. But definitely let me know what you think would look good on here, what you want to see next. I guess with all that being said, see you in the next one.